Okay, we have something called as multiple namespace. Okay, what is the meaning of multiple namespace? It's like we have more than one namespace. Okay, I will just remove everything from here, write it again. You got the here we can remove. Okay, so here we will write as the heading as multiple name, multiple name spaces. Okay, so we will have a namespace A. Okay, inside this namespace A, we will have a variable int x equals to 20. Okay, and we will have print function also. Print something like this. Void print will not take anything, and it will say cout inside inside namespace A, E and D. Okay, in the same way, so we will create another one. Name space D contain the same value. Int x equals to, now instead of 20 we'll write 200, and void print cout. See, mostly we don't need to provide a semicolon over here, as we provide in the this one. Sorry, can you repeat? And you was getting a call,
No.
guys. Can just hold for a minute, huh? Sorry, I'm getting some important call. हेलो, हाँ बताइए. अभी तो क्लास ले रहा हूँ एक्चुअली. हाँ, मैं सी प्लस प्लस पढ़ाता हूँ एक्चुअली. 1 घंटे बाद करेंगे. ज़्यादा ठीक. Bye. Hello. Yes. Sorry. So as you can see, we have namespace one, namespace b. So it is not a function. It is not a structure. It is not a class. It is just a block which contain in open curly braces and close curly braces, and it is only used for resolving the naming conflicts. I'll give an example why it is needed. For example, you can see this is a namespace, this is b namespace. Instead of this, I will give something more reliable. You can say SBI, and you can say ICICI. Okay, so these are the two banks. Okay, so inside this I will write as SBI, and I will write as account number. Okay, account type. Account.
And one thing like these are the two blocks of namespaces, correct?
Sorry.
Then what for? Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. So these are the two blocks of the namespaces. And we have written one statement like using namespace std.
Yes, yes.
What that indicates?
It is a, for example, we have like own functions and we have something called as printf, scanf. Okay. So this is this namespace is provided by C++ compiler by itself. Okay. So this is a user defined namespace and it is like a standard namespace which is given by the compiler or the C++ maker. So, for example, we want to use the cout. Cout is an actually an object which is present inside this std. For example, this account number is present inside this SBI. So, if I want to use this account number, what I will do is SBI scope resolution operator, and I will write this account number. Okay. Hello.
Okay, okay, got it. Means like it is for predefined
Yes. Yes.
namespaces.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
So, okay. So here is the account number, and you are inside the SBI, or here we can write we are inside the ICICI. Okay, and we will have the mean function. Okay, so suppose you want, I have told you two methods. First is using namespace std and another was like scope resolution operator. Okay, so mostly people use scope resolution operator because if we use both of them, for example SBI is there and ICICI is there, if I use both of them, if I write using namespace SBI. Okay, it is fine. You can use any one of them, account number or this one. Okay, let's try it. Using namespace std, and I am try to access the account number. I will say control control C, control V, and account number equals to account number and L. Okay, let's see. So you can see from the SBI it is printing. Correct. This got. But if I write the same place using namespace ICICI. Okay, so I'm using this namespace also. Okay, so what will happen? You will get an ambiguity error. What it will say? There are two references for account number. One reference is this ICICI and another reference is SBI. So it will become a difficult to manage in this case. So what you need to do is you can remove this two, or either you can remove this one, and suppose you want to use ICICI, just put ICICI like this. Okay, so you can able to will not get any error. You can able to print. So you cannot use same at the same time both you cannot use, because it will create, because there is a two definition for the same variable or for the same function. Understood?
Yes.
I will give the example of this one. Rewrite it using namespace space ICICI. Okay, and in here I will write error. Okay, I will give you this program as well. Okay. Though this is possible, and one thing more you can see, if I put it over here, okay, and okay, come down, and I will write it. Okay, so here it will not create an error. See why it is not creating over here. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, yes. Tell me.
What is the question?
My question is, if I've cut it from here, if I put it back over here, Control X, Control V, and if I try to run this, it will throw error. Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry, sorry. Remove this one. Okay. If I run this like this,
Hmm.
it will throw error.
Hmm.
If I cut it from here and put it downside, what you will think? What will happen?
See, when the line number 26 will be executing,
Hmm.
it will have a reference, okay, for line number 24.
Hmm. Okay.
Correct. So only one reference is available before execution of this.
Hmm. Correct.
Correct.
Correct. Correct.
Yeah.
And even after this, we are not calling anything. Second explanation would be ki after this, suppose you have written this one, so you are calling something. Here you are not doing anything. Now,
Yeah.
if
Yeah.
you put the same statement, then it will create an error.
Yes, because it will be like,
It has two references.
yeah.
So this is also a variation. Okay. So function has done. Okay. So there is one more way of declaring the things. Okay. Suppose you want only this one, uh, this account number only. Okay. You don't want any other thing. Suppose you don't want the function. Suppose you don't want this print function. You just want this account number from SQL. So, so what we will do is, uh, here we come and we say using SBI. Okay, from SBI only use what's name account number. Okay, so then we are not giving whole namespace to use every variable. We just want this account number to be used. Okay. Okay, why we are getting second? Okay, so suppose you just want to use this account number, this is coming. Suppose if I print this function, print this comment, these two, not to use right now, and from here I try to have this print function. Okay, see, print function was not declared in the scope. Suppose if I comment this one, and over here I just write print. Okay, see, just I'm using the print so I can able to use the SVA. Suppose if I want the account number, so this account number will create an error. See, so this is called a declaration statement. It means that whatever thing you want is from the namespace, only import that. For example, you want account number, you can import account number. If you want print function, you can import print function. Is it clear?
Yes.
This is also a variation. Actually, there are a lot of variation in this. Small variation. But when you go to industry, mostly code is written. For example, for me, the images and all, the frames and all they have a namespaces. So this is from this namespace, rear view, angle view, this view, that view. In that thing, it happens.